In the course of the 2021 flood event in Central Europe, a significant amount of large wood has been mobilized, transported and deposited at confined and restricted channel cross sections. Large wood accumulations also occurred at the Hinterrhein catchment, especially at hydroelectric power plants, which had to be cleared and was brought to this field site. What are we doing here now? We are aiming to survey these wooden deposits in order to establish a method for quantification of accumulation volume and in a further instance accumulation porosity. So why are we focusing on wood that has been cleared from a reservoir rather than on any other kind of wood, for example forestry slash, which can be easily piled up and surveyed? The reason is that we are focusing on wood which has undergone transport in rivers already. This wood shows specific characteristics because rootwood and branches are often ripped off during transport, and also on the journey downstream these wooden elements break down to smaller pieces, producing organic fine material which fills void spaces inside of the coarser large wood accumulation skeleton. When these void spaces are filled with organic fine material, the accumulation shows a lower porosity and will affect flow hydraulics even more. At VW ETH Zurich, we are employing drones for close-range aerial data acquisition, in particular of images and videos, which are then used with the structure from motion photogrammetry approach in order to compute 3D models of the entire accumulation model. Based on these 3D models, we can then accurately assess large wood accumulation volume and in a further instance approximate accumulation porosity, which really matters when we are talking about flow hydraulics. Finally, this tool or method will allow for rapid yet most accurate large wood accumulation assessment, which is urgently needed in large wood research to better understand the effects of large wood accumulations on flow hydraulics. In particular, porosity and structural alignment, which then allows river managers and engineers to maintain safety in and around our river systems.